Ready to jump into the vast Star Atlas Metaverse but need to connect your Phantom wallet? Let's get you linked up and exploring. First, ensure that you have the Phantom wallet extension installed and set up in your browser. If you don't, head to Phantom app and follow their installation guide. You'll need to create a wallet and securely store your seed phrase. This is crucial for accessing your assets. Next, navigate to the Star Atlas website. Play StarAtlas.com. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid any scams or phishing attempts. Look for the Connect Wallet button, usually located in the top right corner of the homepage, or sometimes within the game launch area. Click on it. A pop-up window from Phantom Wallet will appear, asking for permission to connect to the Star Atlas website. Review the permissions carefully. Click Connect to grant Star Atlas access to your Phantom wallet. This allows the platform to view your public key and request transactions, but it will never have access to your private keys or seed phrase. Once connected, you should see your wallet address displayed on the Star Atlas website, confirming the link is successful. Now you're all set to manage your assets, access the game, and participate in the Star Atlas ecosystem.